Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive regular updates. Please like my video if you like it and don't forget to share. Today we will learn how to grow coriander leaves using just water and without soil. For that we need fresh coriander seeds and a opaque container to hold water, and then we need a fenestrated basket or a basket with some holes at the bottom, and we also need a tissue paper or a tissue cloth to cover the bottom of this fenestrated basket. So next we need socks. I'll tell you what to do with these socks. This is used for crushing the seeds. Okay, the seeds are then transferred into this socks. You can see I'm just transferring this into the socks, and then we will apply some gentle pressure over these seeds so that the seed splits into two. So you should not apply more pressure so as to avoid the seeds from being crushed. So the advantage of growing this in water is we don't need any soil and can be grown in any kitchen. Here you can see I have split the seeds into two, and then the next step is I'll just take some water and fill this opaque container with the water. The best water to use is the rainwater. If it is raining outside, just collect some water and keep it with you and use it for future. And then if you don't get rainwater, the next best is to get water from a river. If you don't have that also, you can use a water from your water purifier, and don't use this hard water, because the hard water the seed germination won't take place. Here what I am doing is I am just spreading the split seeds onto the tissue cloth. So the seeds have to be distributed evenly so that the seeds get adequate nutrition for its growth. So once the seeds are spread, we'll place this fenestrated container over the opaque container with water. So it will take around 45 to 60 days to get a crop of this coriander. Here what I am doing is I am just pressing this placing this fenestrated container over the opaque one. Here you can see the tissue paper has started absorbing. This is not a tissue paper, tissue cloth has started absorbing the water, and that will keep the seeds moist. And then you can keep it outside in a bright light, avoid direct sunlight. The direct sunlight will just dry off the seeds and it won't germinate. Here you can see a update of 5 days. You can see one or two seeds have started germinating. So you can see even the tissue cloth has become soiled. That is because of the color which has come out of these seeds. This is update on day 7. So you can see there are multiple seeds which have sprouted, and you can see few sprouts also which is projecting out of this tissue cloth. And then the thing is, if you use this coriander seeds over the soil, instead of the soil we use the water. Here the thing is, it gives a replenishing supply of coriander leaves to for your kitchen. Here you can see this is update after 10 days. You can see multiple seeds have germinated, and you can see the greenish sprouts also. So this is update after 10 days, and you can see the seeds are one by one germinating. Here this is update after 20 days. You can also see the leaves have given rise to true leaves also in between this. And this is our final update. The crop is ready to harvest. You can see the beautiful coriander leaves which have formed. There is a trick in harvesting. You have to cut only the upper part of the leaves and avoid the cutting the stem, because the stem will give to further leaves. So since I have sprinkled seeds every 5 days, in 5 days interval thrice, I'll get a harvest in every 5 days. Hope you liked the video and enjoyed it. Thank you.